guys, welcome back. And in today's video, we are gonna build our own attendance taking application with anti-proxy system. I don't know how we can exactly do this, but we can try our best to build that out. But before we are gonna move ahead, let me tell you the system architecture that we will be using for to make this application perfectly working in all the conditions. Because why we are making this application, because we will be so basically before the why is come, there will be one more reason to make the best system architecture as possible. But let me just see my stream is starting perfectly or any kind of lag is happening or not. Just a second. Everything is fine, and right now we are good to go. And why we need such a strong attendance taking application, and why there will be a very less solution available in market to create best attendance system that can take care of anti-proxy as well as manage the best user always with the time taking, because we don't want to waste the time in attendance, and that's why we are building such kind of application. So right now there will be this kind of architecture that I have been go through and build to manage our entire application. But let's just go step by step. This is our front end that teacher will be shown. After that, teacher need to fill out some data just like time, data, date and room, subject, department, year, and generate QR code button will be there for generating QR code. And why we are generating QR code? Because QR code is the simplest way or easiest way to transmit the data from one end to another end, and that's why we are making this. After that, if the teacher will be click on generate QR code button, there will be a one API request come up and hit our backend server. I will be just name this as an back end, and okay, this is our backend. And in this backend application, we are gonna show. And by the way, this is our second screen that teacher can be open on their smartboard and any kind of device that he will be using. He will be show the QR code. I am also QR code. Okay, this is the QR code that teacher will be show, and there will be one person called as Manas. If suppose Manas is a student and he want to mark his attendance, so Manas will be just scan this particular QR code, and using this QR code he will be mark his attendance. But there are some vulnerabilities that come up in this, and that can affect your application as well as a targeted audience. Okay, so what kind of architecture we will be make to secure this application? So let us just start with the simple one, how this application works. Then after that I will be telling you what type of security we will be make sure that use in this particular application. So after scanning this QR code by student just like Manas, then there will be one database is available on our server side, and in that data, name of the student, time, date, room, subject, and present or absent, this kind of thing are get marked down. But if some student, and by the way, this particular QR code is only available for 5 minutes. Okay, I don't start my camera, I don't know why. Yeah, if suppose some students are not able to scan this, and some students are absent during this lecture, and by the way, this particular QR code we are going to generate after every single lecture. So make sure that if you want to mark your attendance at that particular lecture, then you need to present it the class, and this QR code is only valid for the 5 seconds. But there are some key drawbacks that we have to focus. Just like if suppose Manas student take the screenshot of this and take the photo and share it on their WhatsApp, then what to do? we will be changing this data into, oh, you are get full, means if suppose this QR code will be working as present or absent, so we will be change this as to our prank data, means we will be pranking the user, and also store that user that can scan that QR code, that will be also get marked down in proxy section. So the teacher will be see, oh, this particular student try to attempt the proxy. Okay, this is one more thing and secure thing that we will be using. I don't know how we can do this, but there are another one key drawback of this application. If suppose student don't take the screenshot, and he will be take the screenshot and pass their phone in that particular person or share it any kind of way, suppose he will be mail it, then what to do? We will be avoiding screenshot or control P button for avoiding print or right click at anything possible by mine. I'm doing this, and this is my best attempt to create this application. So we will be block our inspect elements. If someone is don't know about inspect element, then if I press F12 in my keyboard, then my inspector window will be open on my Google Chrome. And using this particular selection, I hope you are see this. Okay, using this selection tool, you will be able to capture that photo and make this as a viral. But we also get protect on this. If suppose I will be block the inspect element section on my website, someone is just try to print that. If suppose I control P this, then this website is control free. Control P is not working on this particular website. But let me show you. If I try this here, then this particular page is come up with the print, and if I save this as an PDF, then it will be saved as an PDF in my PC, and our app don't know, my app will be thinking कि इसने तो अभी तक screenshot लिया ही नहीं. So this type of vulnerabilities are available in such a big and cluttery system. So this is the role of a developer and role of human, how you can make your app more okay, my camera has been get lag, I don't know why. Okay, my system, okay, यहाँ पर तो बराबर है. Okay, I need to turn it off back. Okay, I don't know why my upload speed was gone. I don't know. In my OBS screen it will be showing me properly, but okay, let's just go ahead. Okay, so after someone tried to attempt the proxy, then we will be mark them in our database. But for authentication, by the way, we are not using Clerk anymore time, because Clerk is little bit harder. I'm not say it's quite it's easy, but it's real-time data management, it's so bad. By the way, Clerk is awesome website. I'm not here to spoil their name. I'm personally using Clerk in lots of application, as you guys are know if you watch my previous videos. So there will be okay. So we will be manage the user using authenticate. Also we will be see because student is so bad in their managing their website, because I am also a student. I know how I crack the website. I know how to get third party way to access any kind of website. Okay, so we will be also make sure that our app is means proxy free. Okay, I don't get any kind of word for to this. Okay, so after verifying our user, we will make sure that student are not able to log in as teacher. So how we can do this, I don't know. I'm just go ahead and start creating this application, and after that the main thing will be come up how our database will look like. So in the college there are different departments are available, just like just take an example. In my college there are mechanical, computer, electrical, IT, etc. There are more departments. So we will be make search column in our database, and using this column we will be get one column for mechanical, one column for IT, one column for information technology, one column for computer, and like this. Okay, and we will be created table structure, and another one we will be make as different year, because in the different department there are different years are also available. Just like this is for first year, this is for second year, this is for third year, this is for fourth year, just like this. And whenever teacher will be created request, if suppose this is our teacher screen and teacher will be creating one request by their side, so we will be make sure that if teacher will be created a attendance system for third year mechanical engineering student, then only the third year mechanical engineering student are able to see that event on their login. So we need to classify or make the difference between different departments and different year. I don't know how we can do this, how we can sort the user, but let's just go ahead and हम लोग देखने वाले बड़ा chill से एकदम इसको manage करने वाले हैं. So we will be make sure that that particular teacher will able to see only that student that he will be try to get attendance. ठीक है? Oh, I don't know why there will be such a great lag is available. Oh, I am streaming in 4K na, that's why I don't know. In a such a way I will be reduce output video. Oh, I am not able to. ठीक है, सॉरी यार, थोड़ा सा अभी के लिए ये हो जाएगा, मैनेज हो जाएगा, ठीक है, बिकॉज आई एम ऑल्सो वॉचिंग द स्ट्रीम इन 4K ना. जस्ट अ सेकेंड, आई विल बी जस्ट चेक माई ऑडियो एंड वीडियो क्लैरिटी. ओके, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन. तो हम लोग कहाँ थे? हम लोग थे कि if suppose teacher is creating a request for third year mechanical, then only the third year mechanical student will see that and mark their attendance. ठीक है, other department students should not see this and he will be not try to attempt that. Using this, our app click through rate is very less, and our app will be much easier to handle a bunch of requests. I don't know if suppose my college timing is 10 to 5 and each lecture will come up with the 1 hour session, then just take an example. If suppose my teacher will be start attending at 10 to 11, there will be one session will be available. So the teacher will be start at 10:55, then the entire college will be start at that particular time. So what is happen? Teacher side is not get hacked, but the student who are marking their attendance and API request which will come up, that will be hang our server or not able to manage properly. So there will be one more drawback. If suppose we are not going to focus on that particular thing, then what happen? If suppose there will be one student present at a mechanical branch third year, so their attendance will be go to computer fourth year. So I don't want to make the chaos of during taking the attendance. I don't want to mess up with my application. That's why so to be very frank with you guys, I am using Lovable. I already write the prompt. You will be get this prompt in the GitHub folder also. I will be created one GitHub repository for this. And right now in this particular form, I will be make sure that teacher will be log in as teacher, student will be not able to log in as a teacher. Make sure every event is happening properly or such a kind of thing. Okay. And by the way, I am taking the subscription of Lovable for creating this project. But to be very frank with you, you don't need to take that. Okay, I will be just press and enter, and right now it will be spinning up their server, and most probably I am using Supabase for this. I don't know any kind of database it will be master or that, but there will be a Supabase option is available. That's why. Okay, you will be start working on it, and it will be come up with their plan. Okay, I am doing the live stream after a long period of time, so I don't know how many people are gonna interested in this or not. But believe me, guys, if you build this application by your end and don't take it seriously, but why I'm using AI, because I need to check the capabilities of AI. In my mind there will be there will be thinking of AI can build this particular application, and you can see my prompt is so detailed, and whenever it come up with the sum of the plan, I need to modify my application, I need to type more prompt, and lots of things will come up with the time. So stay tuned, do not miss any kind of part, so your application is also gonna work. Okay, this prompt you will be get in the description or GitHub readme section. And why I'm not paste this in the description, because this prompt is more than 5,000 word, and that's why YouTube will be not allow me to do that. Okay, in this particular time our app will be, my PC will be get thoda sa, because it will be get warm by the way. 48% usage will be, drop frames आ रहे हैं मुझे 27,000 by the way. Okay, there will be much more. And why I'm using Lovable, because the Lovable मैंने जो बोल्ट को भी ट्राई किया, एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो गो थ्रू विद द गिटहब कोपायलट, एंड एवरी दोज who don't know what is the capabilities of GitHub Copilot, then I will be just tell you, using the free plan that everyone can access, you will be get ChatGPT 4.0, O1 model, Claude 3.5, 3.7, Gemini, this particular model you will be get. But I am logging as a student, I will be verified by GitHub, and that's why I will be accesses lots of models. This models is so advanced, so my request to everyone who is student, please log in as a student, you will be get a lot of benefit by the GitHub. And we are just waiting to finish it. I don't know, most probably he will be give me an error, and that's why I am getting the subscription of Lovable. It will be approximately $20, but it's worth, because if you want to build something crazy na, then the money will be not available in your path and not get affected by you. Okay, I will be just check जब तक ये हो रहा है. Okay, so it will be take a lot of time. थोड़ा सा बैकग्राउंड का म्यूजिक कम कर देता है. Shall I drop the frames during this? Oh, not. Video output is currently active. Please turn on any output to change video setting. Okay. I need to just change this. So video. Okay. Okay. As it will be like writing a too much code. If I start, if I want to build such a basic application, only the UI, then approximately it will be take me कहीं ना कहीं तो 3 to 4 hours approximately. If I do use AI and lot of things, if I do React also and Next.js also and anything. So right now it will be give me an error. Let's just go with, because background में कोड जो है चले जा रहा है. We will be go through the code जब तक ये पूरी तरीके से हो नहीं जाता.